What's going on, guys? My name is Matt and welcome back to Create, Rinse, Repeat. And we are outside today. It's finally a beautiful day. It is slightly less cold than freezing here on the East Coast. And so I'm soaking in the sun and also proving a point, which is the content of today's video. Does it matter where you film your videos or what your backdrop is? In my opinion, the answer to that is no, and we'll get into why right now. So as you can see behind me, we're outside, but there's really nothing special going on in the background. There's a fence, there's some nature, there's a house, there's some sky, but it's not what you would consider epic or amazing. There's no waterfall, and there's no race cars or a beach. But really, it doesn't matter. The reason it doesn't matter is because too many times I hear people say, I don't have a good YouTube studio space. I don't have an impressive background, or I don't have an epic backdrop that I can use to make videos. So the reason that I say it doesn't matter is because all of this are just fake limitations that you're putting on yourself that are preventing you from doing something that supposedly you are really interested in. A lot of people get turned off from creating content because their first 1 to 3 videos don't blow up and they're not instantly famous. But for the most part, if you look at the most successful creators on this platform, none of them were famous overnight. See, we as humans have this weird tendency to just look at the results of other creators and people who have already put in the work to get to where they are. Mr. Beast made over 150 videos and had under 2,000 subscribers. The same is true for any of the other big names, unless you get extremely lucky. So the point is, stop looking at your growth on YouTube or your growth as a filmmaker or creator of content as a short-term goal, and start looking at it the same way that you would a long-term investment. The best example I can give you is this. When I see those YouTubers or those creators who have made 5 videos and then quit because they weren't Peter McKinnon, it's equivalent to saying, I've only practiced basketball 5 times and I am confident that I could beat LeBron James head to head. I think anyone with a functioning organ between their ears knows the unlikelihood of that happening. It is the exact same thing when it comes to making videos. So stop trying to shortcut the process and actually invest in it. If you look at the benchmark of making 150 videos as the absolute minimum to start achieving an audience or start growing your subscribers, then does it really matter what your background is for your first 50 to 100 videos? I just made a video where I completely redid my entire YouTube studio, and yet I am here outside today for this video solely to prove the point. So instead of imposing these limitations on yourself, get out there and create, rinse, repeat. We'll see you next time.